right here. Next example?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to try or you want me to try?
I can try if you want to.
Cool. Let's do it. So you would try in here. So I'm going to give this to you a little bit. And why don't you try this one right here, number 9. Oh, we'll get rid of that. So here's number 9. We're looking here. Okay. So just look at that. Don't look at your answer. Just do that. Is it big enough?
Black?
Yeah, black will be fine. So we got 3x minus y is equal to 0. Good. And then we also have 5y is equal to 15. Good. Ready to try it? So do you need to go back and see the steps? You want to go back and see step 1?
Okay.
Okay, so what's step 1?
Step 1 we should solve.
Solve. So which one do you want to solve? And for what letter? Bottom one for y?
Yeah.
So go ahead and solve that for y.
So
let me know if you need to reposition this computer or anything like that.
yeah. So 1 should be 3.
Okay, well good. Now what would step 2 be?
The x
Yeah, we need to get the x, but what can we do with that 3? Where can we put it?
in the x. Here.
Yes, in for the y. So now let's write that top equation, 3x minus, oh, stupid thing. Messing up my video, but I'll cut it out.
Minus.
Minus y,
It
right?
should be plus 3.
Well, it's minus whatever y is. So it's minus and then y is 3, right? So it's really minus 3. You want a new page yet?
No, I think that's okay.
Okay. So 3x is equal to 3. X is equal to 1. So what would our solution be if we wanted to do x comma y here? So as a point, okay? Good, but x comes first, okay?
Oh.
Good. So it's always xy because that's alphabetical order. That's how it works. And that's it. That's the solution. Okay. We're going to try another one? Okay. Let's try.
I think it's because I think it's skipped because of the letters and it was kind of confusing.
Well, don't worry about it because yesterday we had not really, we had not really done enough of this, I have to admit.
Can you send that to me?
The video?
Yeah. So you can send
Yeah.
it to my email.
Yeah, I can do it. If it's small enough, I can do it. If not, I'll link you to the YouTube, okay? If I get it up. If we can do this, then I can have you do the homework on paper and maybe I can get this video going. Why don't we finish this last problem? We'll include it in the video. And it'll be you, starring Ricardo. Like that?
Not bad.
So what's step 1?
Start with solve.
Solve which one do you want to solve?
Let me see.
You can solve for S or T.
I'm gonna solve the first one.
For what?
S.
Is it already solved? S is alone, right?
Yeah. So.
So look at
the second
that.
one.
You already are finished with step 1. Do you see that? Because S equals, it says S equals.
So it needs to be alone, but it's already alone.
Yeah, you need S alone, it's already alone. So now what do you do with that answer for step 2?
Put it in the bottom. One.
Put it into the bottom. So 2T plus S. But what is S? So let's put a parenthesis there, okay? And hey, let me give you a little hint for the T's. Put a little curl on the bottom of your T, and it won't look like a plus sign. So you see my T? Has a curl on it?
Oh, let's see.
Yeah. Well, that was your plus sign, my friend. Yeah. But the T is the first one, remember? So you put a curl on that one. It's okay, you can still put the curl on there. Yeah. This is a trick for all you guys at home listening to this video, because we know we're going to get 1,000 hits on YouTube, right?
Who knows?
2T plus...
Is T
Yep.
plus 4
Good.
equals to 19.
Good. And now we just solve that. And that's not such a hard equation, because it's one equation with one variable. And it looks a little ugly, but you want to try and change... You can change colors if you need to, whatever you think is good.
Let me change a little bit because it's kind of...
Yeah, blow it up. Do whatever you gotta do.
So we say this is T, and we say this is T to T.
Yep.
We should
Good.
change this to another color just in case.
Sure. Okay. Now we're good. 2t plus 4 equals the 19. So how many t's you got? Okay, so now we just solve. So all our plus signs are red from the third line out. Very good. Good. Anytime you need more space, just scroll down and hit extend page, okay? See this? Scroll it down and hit extend page. You got space?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think I'm
okay. Well, we need to have space for our viewers at home, too. We're so famous here.
There you go.
T is equal to 5. Good. Now, we got to go to a new page. So let's hit this button right here. See that one? Yep, that one. Good. And then let's hit this button right here. Oh, yeah, that's good. And now let's take that answer, T equals to 5, and put it into either equation. Whatever you think is going to be easiest, because we want S.
So, you want to put this in this one?
Yep, one of the top or the bottom. I think the top is easier.
Yeah, I think it's more better.
So I want you to put T equals to 5 into the top one. Okay. And the worst is that the S's look like the 5's too, but it's okay. S equals to 9. No, it's good. Don't worry about it. So this is the 5 right here, and this is S equals 5 plus 4, and then S equals 9. That's okay. And now, oh, kind of a tricky question. What would you say is the answer if you were going to put it as a point?
I see, got it.
Alphabetical. Alphabetical.
So,
Q, R, S, T. So S first, and then new T. So you do 9, 5, yeah, perfect. And that is the real answer.